So, if you're looking to add a bed extender to your Jeep Gladiator, it's a pretty straightforward process that shouldn't take more than an hour. We did it over a couple of days due to filming, but you should be able to knock it out in no time. First off, unpack the bed extender kit. It comes with 4 cylinders, brackets, D-hooks, hardware, and multiple pipes. Next, grab the left cylinder and insert the correct pipes in the 3 slots and tighten down the hardware. Ensure that the red buckles are facing outward towards the body of the truck and repeat the process for the right side. Now that you're done with the outer pieces, it's time to install the center. I want to mention before you do this, insert the straps on the middle bar of each side with the hook facing down. After you tighten the bolts, adjust it to fit your truck better and set it aside. Moving on, if your truck doesn't have pre-measured holes, you'll need to mark and drill holes on each side. Drill bigger holes than the tap screws for mounting the bracket. Once the holes are drilled, mount the bracket. After securing the bracket, take the pre-assembled bed rack and insert it into the slots on each side of the bed. Use the pin on the bracket to secure it. Flip over the bed extender and install the D-rings in the correct position aligned with the extender. Pre-drill the rings and screw them in, ensuring the strap reaches the D-ring.